Hi friends! Welcome to Canary at Home. My name's Lacey. Today you can call me the Bird Queen. And we're going to be making masks. Humans have a long history of masks and mask making. We can see those reflected in our holidays and celebrations like Carnival and Mardi Gras and Purim and Halloween. Sometimes we wear masks to hide behind them and pretend to be something or somebody else. Sometimes we wear masks during celebrations to liberate and express the wilder parts of our personality. So, while you're making your mask today, you want to be thinking about who or what you want to be transformed to, or how you'll act when you put it on. You can let those thoughts be your guide as to how you'll use your materials today. In your O Canary at Home kit, you'll have a paper mask base, gold paint, glue, some tissue paper circles, some glittery triangles, pom-poms, feathers, and sticky gems. Let's get started. Now, if you're using the paint on your mask today, that's the first layer that you'll want to add. So I'm going to grab my paintbrush, and I think I'm going to paint my whole white mask with a layer of gold. And brush it onto the white surface. Now we've just included this nice gold in your kit. We like gold as a celebratory color, but you can use any paints from home or markers to add different colors to your mask. Watercolor actually works really nicely on this paper base. So I've added a whole coat of gold paint onto my mask. Again, you can do yours however you want. And I'm ready to move on to some of my collage materials. Now, if you've added a layer of paint, the best thing that you can do is wait for it to dry and then move on to your collage materials, especially those sticky gems. I'm just gonna move ahead for the sake of the video. You can glue the shapes onto wet paint and it should be fine, but if you have time, let it dry. So now you get to decide which of these wonderful materials you'll use first. I'm going to start with some of the tissue paper circles. I'm going to dip my brush into the glue. So as I'm making my mask today, I think about the face and how usually the face is the same on both sides. So I'm going to apply something called symmetry, right? When one thing is the same on both sides as I choose my materials today. For example, you can see I put one circle right in the middle, and then 1, 2, 3 on one side, and 1, 2, 3 on the other side. Now I'll explore some of the other materials. With these sparkly triangles. You can peel the paper on the back off to stick them, or you can use the glue. Either way works. And this side. And one on this side. Okay, I'm going to choose my pom-poms now. These 3 blue ones. Make a line down the nose. Need a pretty good amount of glue for the pom-poms. Now I'm going to grab some feathers for each side. Okay, I've used almost all my materials, so now I'm going to move on to my gems, the last material I haven't used. I'm going to put these these under the eyes. So, as you can see, I used all my materials. I decided to make a symmetrical design with the same types of materials on both sides of the mask, though you do it any way that you want. And I feel like I'm finished. I love how I took this plain white mask and transformed it into this beautiful, fun, colorful mask. Sometimes we want to use our imagination to pretend to be something or somebody else, and next time I want to do that, this is the thing that I'm going to grab. I can't wait to see what kind of mask you make. Please share your work with us at Canary Art on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for making today, friends. Bye.